Hi, I'm Engineer Manon's Aljon. Like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications, share, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the AutoCAD basics. This environment is called the Workspace. You can check the active workspace by clicking down below the gear icon. Drafting and annotation is the default workspace, and it is perfect for beginners. In our workspace, we have the ribbon. If this is not shown, you can type ribbon as a command, then press enter. In AutoCAD, the spacebar acts the same as the enter button. The model space is where we visualize our work and create our drawings. The layout tabs allows us to access different kinds of layouts to be used later for printing. This is the command line. This is where you and AutoCAD communicate, and you can press Ctrl 9 to show or hide the command line. So in the ribbon, we can see different tabs and different panels. We can choose to show our desired tabs or panels by simply right-clicking any part within the ribbon. So first, we have the line. To access the line command, we can click it in the draw panel of the ribbon or type L, then enter. Once we enter the command, AutoCAD is telling us to specify the first point. We can click anywhere in the model space, or we can also specify the coordinates by typing the x coordinate, comma, then the y coordinate, then enter. After this, AutoCAD then tells you to specify the next point. Likewise, this can be done by clicking or by coordinates. After specifying the second point, AutoCAD continues the command. From here, you can continue to make more lines or press spacebar or escape to exit the command. Next is the circle. You can click it from the ribbon or type the command shortcut C. In the command line, AutoCAD tells you to specify the center point of the circle. But notice there are more text. These are called subcommands. Here we have 3P, 2P, then TTR. You can access these commands by typing these codes, or you can click them directly in the command line. In this video, we will stick to the main circle command. We specify the center point likewise by clicking or by specifying coordinates. Now, we have new options. We could specify the radius or input a diameter by first pressing D or clicking diameter in the command line, then specifying the diameter, then space to exit the command. You can also access subcommands by clicking the drop-down menu in the ribbon. Next is the polyline. You can click it in the drop panel or type PL, then enter. A polyline are just lines but connected. You can see this after making some lines. Then when you select a polyline, all lines made during the command will be selected as a single object. While lines made by the line command will be separate objects. Next is the selection method. The three basic selections are the direct select, which can be done by clicking directly at the object, the green selection by clicking and moving the cursor to the left, and the blue selection by clicking and moving to the right. In the green selection box, you can select the whole object by including even the smallest bit of the object, while the blue selection box only selects objects that you have fully enclosed in the selection. Each has their own uses that you will discover as you work more with AutoCAD. Next is we have object snapping. You can access this menu by typing the command snap. A window will pop up that will show object snapping options. I recommend not to check all of these modes as too much of it will hinder your workflow. Personally, I only check endpoints, center, node, intersection, and one or two more depending on the work. Then press OK. Snapping is useful when you need to create an object that has to be attached to an existing object or specific point. To toggle object snapping on or off, just press F3 and the command line will show the state whether it is on or off. If we want to connect to the end of a line, we use the endpoint snap. Press L for line, then hover over to an endpoint, then you will see a green box appear. This is the endpoint snap symbol. As long as this is on, even if you click not exactly at the end, it will automatically be placed at the endpoint. The next basic snap is the center snap. This activates in the center of an arc or circle. Hover over to the circumference of a circle, then a cross with a green circle will appear in the center of the circle. With the snap symbol showing, even if you click here, it will automatically snap to the center. For the next part, I will talk about commands in the Modify panel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next videos. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click the bell. If you want to request for a content, or you want me to answer a problem, drop a comment, or email me at financealjon.yt@gmail.com.